Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky here, and I'm back to do an enveloping of a certain item from the folks over at CPA Authentics. Now, what did I get? So enough chit chat, open it up and see what's inside. Like, right now, let's go! Alrighty, folks. So what is in that big envelope that I got? I'll just show it to you, but I'm gonna have to show you in a different angle because this is one big poster. Alrighty, this is a big one. This is for the 1988 hit film John Carpenter's They Live, starring actor and wrestler Roddy Piper, Keith David, Meg Foster. Also in the film, Buck something. Buck Flowers, yeah. Buck Flowers is in the film, as well as Peter Jason, I believe, is in the film. And I believe that's all. Maybe some familiar faces are in that movie, but Buck Flower, he's in anything or everything. And also, the music was composed by the great John Carpenter and Ellen Howarth, and Sandy King, who I believe is the third wife of John Carpenter. I may be wrong, correct me anyway. And plus, screenplay by Frank Armitage, wrote the screenplay and the script, and Carpenter composed and directed the film, along with his frequent collaborator, the great Alan Howarth. And so, yeah. And it's loosely based on a book called 12 O'Clock Noon, if I'm not mistaken. But I'll leave you the link in the description box for Good Bad Flix's review of this movie. And it has the theme, and the character's name is George Nada. In the movie, that's a short story. In the movie, it's John Nada. What does the word nada mean? Nothing in Spanish. So his name is Nada, and he is the hero of the story. But very sadly, I won't get to meet Mr. Piper because he sadly passed about 9 years ago, and I never got a chance to meet him at conventions. I seen some of his other stuff he did, and some wrestling here and there. And yeah, and I got JC John Carpenter's signature, the way how it was John Carpenter. So yeah, he signed this one, and plus, best of all, Beckett authenticated. Oh yeah. Anyways, a good film, and you have these aliens, and when our hero or heroes wear these special sunglasses, the rich people are the aliens, and the heroes are the poor and the misfits. But those that are not poor, they can join if they want. And of course, this was based about Carpenter's hatred, and of course, he was disgusted by Reaganomics at that time period, about the Brunswick affair, about black and white television. And of course, here is the line. You see them on the streets. You watch them on TV. You might even vote for them for one. You might even vote for one this fall. You think they're just people. You think they're people just like you. You're wrong. Dead wrong. They live. So yeah, folks, what do you guys think? And tell me, did any of you purchase the autograph when it was on pre-order until a month ago? That it ended as well. So yeah, he did a good work on this film and some of the other films he had done that are known for. I don't give a damn. I like them all. And to me, this, Escape from New York, Assault on Precinct 13, and what else? Big Trouble in Little China. And also, I believe, what was it? In the Mouth of Madness, Escape from LA, and Vampires. To me, those kind of have Stranger Things-esque vibe to them. That's how I feel about those movies. And also, yeah, horror movies, to me, like Halloween, is up there. And I have another Carpenter's movie in my collection called Elvis, but I'm not going to compare that to Stranger Things or horror. It's Elvis. I'm a big fan of Elvis Presley. And the recent Elvis that we got 2 years ago, I got to get my paws on that movie. So yeah. So yeah, and let's give a shout out to the folks over at CPA Authentics. Thank God you launched this, and also I'm gonna get other signatures pretty soon. Not Roddy Piper, God rest his soul. I'll probably get Keith David and Meg Foster to sign as well. They were in the film. Maybe some other people, and maybe composer Alan Howarth I can get a signature from. But sadly, I won't even get Roddy Piper. God rest his soul, dude. God rest his soul. So yeah, if anybody you like the movie They Live or a fan of Roddy Piper or John Carpenter or Keith David, let me know in the comment section down below. So yeah, let's give a shout out to CPA Authentics, and also let's give a shout out to the director and composer and also he did wrote other films. Wrote scripts. John Carpenter. Let's give a shout out to you, John Carpenter. And also let's give a shout out to that thing of ours, to the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. And shout outs to my subscribers. Shout outs to you all. The link and review for They Live from Good Bad Flicks will be in the description box down below. That's right, down below. Also, I'm in the YouTube community. I'm often posting what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the afternoon hours or the early evening hours. So keep an eye on that, folks. So yeah, wow. So y'all, this is, really, if I'm going to get this sign, I got to make sure I get it good. Well, anyways, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Hear you and see you on the next vid. Enjoy the weekend, y'all. And later.